Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss today simultaneous equations. To solve two equations simultaneously, there are two methods. Number one is substitution method. And number two is elimination method. Examiner will never ask you which method is to be used. So, whichever method you like or you think that you are good in that method, just stick with that. Let's start with substitution method. Suppose if I am given two equations, like first equation is x plus y equals to 2, mark it as equation number 1, and another equation is given as x minus y equals 4, mark it as equation number 2. We are starting with very simple equations. Let's pick equation 1 and make x or y the subject. Suppose if I pick equation number 1, x plus y equals to 2, and I want to make x a subject, I can also isolate y. So let's start with making x the subject. So x would be equals to 2 minus y. Put this value of x, 2 minus y, in equation number 2. Let me write equation number 2 first. This is my equation number 2. And I'm going to put the value of x, which is 2 minus y now, here in x. 2 minus y equals 4. Now simplified, 2 minus y is equal to 4. So it becomes 2 minus 2y is equal to 4. So bring 4 here and send 2y over there. So 2 minus 4 equals 2y. So minus 2 is equal to 2y. So minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to y. So y is equal to minus 1. Use this value of y is equal to minus 1 in any equation, 1 or 2. Suppose if I take equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 2, and I place y equals minus 1 here, x plus minus 1 is equal to 2. So x plus minus is minus, x minus 1 equals to 2. So x is equal to 2 plus 1, which is 3. So my value of x equals 3. I can check my answers or the values which I found out. Take any equation from 1 or 2. Suppose if I take first equation, x plus y is equal to 2. So write 3 in x and minus 1 in y. Now simplified, so 3 plus minus 1 is equal to 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2 is equal to 2. So same values on either side of is equal to sign. So it means our answers are correct. Okay, this was actually substitution method. Let me write it on the top with the different color. Now let's start learning the elimination method. Suppose if I am given two equations, x plus y is equal to 2 and x minus y is equal to 4. So again with a very simple two equations, so we have to notice, because we are going to learn elimination method, so we have to eliminate either variable x or y. So we have to check which variable have the same coefficient with different opposite signs. So if you notice, we have y with plus sign and y with negative sign. So this is the most simplest form of two equations, so we can cancel by each other out and now solve the rest of the equation. X plus x is 2x equals 2 plus 4 is 6, and x equals 6 divided by 2, so x is equal to 3. Mark 1 and 2 with the equations so that you can recognize. So now pick any of these two equations. Suppose if I take equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 2. Now place the value of x, which was 3, to find the value of y. So it's y equals 2 minus 3, so y is equal to minus 1. Now we can check whether our answers are correct. So pick equation 1. You can also pick equation 2, whatever you like. X plus y equals to 2. So you place 3 in x and minus 1 in y. So 3 plus minus is minus 1 equals to 2. 3 minus 1 is 2 equals 2. So your answers are correct because you got the same values on either side of the is equal to sign. Now let's move on and try some harder equations. Suppose if I am given 2x plus y, we are still doing elimination method, okay? So 2x plus y is equal to 2. This is my first equation. And suppose my second equation is x plus y is equal to 4. Now, my variable y are same, but at the same time, their coefficients are same, but at the same time their signs are also same. So we have to make their signs opposite so that they can cancel each other out. So let me do it with the red color. This is plus x, so make it minus x. Opposite, you have to do it opposite. This is plus y, so it will become minus y. This is plus 4, now it will become minus 4. So now you have changed the signs, so plus y and minus y cancel each other. So 2 minus x is x equals 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So you got the value of x as minus 2. You can pick equation 1 and try to find out value of y. Okay, if I put value of x, which I just found out, minus 2 in x here, plus y is equal to 2, so minus 4 plus y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 plus 4 and my y equals 6. Now we can check. So you can take x plus y is equal to 4, the second equation. And now place the values of x and y here. X was minus 2 and y was 6. So minus 2 plus 6 is 4. 4 equals 4. So our answers of x and y are correct because we got same values on either side of the is equal to sign. Let's do one more example, and mostly these type of questions examiner ask in the examination, Cambridge examination. Okay. Suppose our first question equation is 2x plus 2y is equal to 2. Make it equation number 1. And x plus 3y is equal to 4. Make it equation number 2. Now using the same elimination method, my both variables have got the different coefficients with the same sign, so I have to choose one out of these two variables, either x or y, and I will try to make their coefficients same. So what I can do, I can multiply, suppose if I pick x, so I will multiply equation number 1 by 1. This one came from the second equation. The coefficient of variable x is 1, so I multiply the upper equation throughout by 1. And equation number 2 I will multiply by 2 because I want the variable x to become same. So the variable x has the coefficient 2 of equation number 1. So now if you multiply 1 by equation 1, so you get the same 2x plus 2y is equal to 2. And if you multiply 2 by equation number 2, you get 2x plus 6y is equal to 2 times 4 is 8. Now I have made the variable x same, like 2x in equation 1 and 2x in equation 2. But their signs are also same, so I have to cancel them. So I have to change their signs. So this is plus 2x, the opposite of plus is minus. Plus 6y, so minus 6y. Plus 8, so minus 8. So I have changed the signs. So plus 2x minus 2x will cancel each other, and 2 minus 6 is minus 4y equals 2 minus 8 is minus 6. So minus on either side will cancel. So y equals 6 over 4. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is 6, so y value is 3 over 2. So you can pick equation number 1 or 2 to find out the value of x. So I'm going to take equation 2, which is x plus 3y equals 4. So now x plus 3 times y was 3 by 2 equals 4. So x plus 9 by 2 equals 4. So x equals 4 minus 9 by 2. So x equals minus 1 over 2. Now let's check it out. So we can pick an equation. Let's say equation number 1. And this is 2x plus 2y is equal to 2. So 2 times my x is minus 1 by 2 plus 2 times my y is 3 by 2 is equal to 2. So these two gone, and I'm left with minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 2. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2 equals 2. So my answers are correct. That's it, and we will meet each other again with a different topic. Thank you.